What is up, everybody? My name is Justin Units and welcome back to the beach. And today we are shooting the beautiful...
Hi guys, my name is Muriel.
Okay, so it's high tide and I think what I'd like to do is try to keep everything like water's edge and not be on the sand, just to keep everything consistent. Yeah, so keep watching. If please, if you like this video, if you like this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like it, leave a comment, all of that good stuff. Let's get into it. Alright, so we're on to our next look. We've run into a little technical issue. I was going to film, you know, the BTS with the Atomos Ninja V, but for some reason it's not wanting to record, so we're going to have to do a little deep dive into that when I get back home. Right now we have changed Muriel into a beautiful bikini, so let's keep going.
Hi guys.
Some days there's no one else who loves me like you used to. Some days I'm not myself. There's no one I can turn to. And I know all the feelings that we shared are in the past. And I know your relationships are never meant to last. It might take some time, but I'll be alright. Moving on. I know at times are tough, but I've had enough. I'm moving on.
Once again, I forgot to sign off as per the last video, so please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment in the section below, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace!